want to talk to you about my HomeGoods haul. Now, there is a theme today, and that theme is pumpkin. I mean, no other. Would you have guessed something else? Well, maybe ghosts. But this is today's theme. There's not one, but there's two. And today was mostly candles. Let's, a nice mug, and look at that. We'll start with the mug. This, so good, huge. I love HomeGoods mugs, or the mugs that I can find at HomeGoods, because they're so deep and they can have so much coffee. I love it. Again, pumpkins. There's also this like green theme going on too. Love this mug. I'm a sucker for a good dish towel, or I should say a decorative dish towel. But they had these in orange and black. There are only a couple left. So I got the kind of this grayish black, and then there's alternating white. There's two of them here, and these are $6.99. I forget what the price was on this. I had already taken off the tag and washed it. I want to say like $5, like $4.99, but to be honest, I don't remember. What I love about this candle is it's huge, but it has this wicker outside, so it makes it, kind of elevates the candle itself. White pumpkin. I love a white pumpkin. This was $17. It's huge, and so it feels like it was worth it. Any pumpkin candle is worth it. But I do love sand and fog. They also have sand and paws. This neutralizes pet odors. We don't have a pet, but I really liked the cinnamon pumpkin smell on this. It's like white pumpkin with cinnamon, if you know, and I love a good artwork on this. So those two. I want to talk about these pumpkins. I was in the store and I saw this. I thought it was a jar, and then I realized it's a candle. It's white pumpkin. Yum, 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 yum. It's from Martha Stewart. These were in all different colors when I was there. They are $10. Not too bad. And I feel like it's multifunctional because once the candle is gone, now it's a jar. And you could put fun little candy corn, or other things inside of it. But this was my haul from HomeGoods. And then my wife brought this home for me, like about a week later. She knows me too well. This is also, it's the same Martha Stewart. It's in a different color. It's a more green than this kind of off teal color. Same scent, but still Martha Stewart, white pumpkin, and just in another color. And I love her. I love her so much for that. But this was a good haul, and I actually did this at the end of July. So you gotta love HomeGoods, in late summer, because you get ready for the fall here. But that's it. So worth it. I can't wait to go back. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and check out the Lilies and Loafers channel for more good stuff. We'll see you soon.